It's gonna be a big day today. I'm going to the DMV to get my driver's license. Come along with me. I got a story to tell you along the way. Gotta get gas first. Gonna try to find the cheapest gas in town. So we're gonna drive by one gas station. We'll see how much it is there. And you can see I need gas. At Marathon, it's $3.53. We're gonna go on up to Jiffy and see what they got. Not as cold today as it was yesterday. It was 19 yesterday. Today it's like 30 something, but the wind is freezing. You know, for 13 years I didn't drive, and so I had to either walk or bike or, you know, find a ride. And I am just so grateful today that I can have a car with a license and insurance and money to put gas in it all at the same time. 2007, I made the most selfish decision I could have ever made, and I drove when I shouldn't have driven, and as a result of that, I lost my license. I was supposed to lose it until 2024. By the grace of God, the state representative called me last year and said that because I had done everything that I was supposed to do continuously for the last 13 years, that they were going to let me have my license back earlier than 2024. We made it. Oh, I still get anxious when I come to the DMV. I've been here a few times, and unfortunately, the DMV here, they're not used to unusual cases or anything out of the ordinary, and you guys have probably already figured out I'm out of the ordinary, especially when it comes to this. So I'm gonna go in, let's see what happens. Look at this, I got my Pennsylvania driver's license. Look at my past, but I don't have to stay there. The past has become some of the greatest lessons I've learned and I get to share them with others so that maybe through my experience, people won't do the same thing that I did. They won't have to suffer the same consequences or cause the same hurt that I caused. And so I can look back at the past, but I got a new lens to look at it now. God does take everything and turn it for good. Since I have my license, I think it's time for a road trip. Where do you think we should go next?